And here it is once it is all finished. And this still isn't fully dry yet, just because I didn't have enough time to wait for it to fully dry. So I'll just be careful when I'm squishing it. But yeah, I'm so happy with how this turned out. And it is really squishy as well. And the horns are quite slow rising. I really like how the face turned out, and also I really like how the pentagram looks as well. I also really like the bronze colour on this. I know it just looks brown on camera, but it is just that little bit more metallic in real life. Again, I'll shine my phone torch on it so you can see it properly. So yeah, as you can see, it is slightly shiny. I think it looks really beautiful. I absolutely love this, using these metallic colours. And again, it's completely up to you what colours you want to use for yours, and also it's up to you what size you want to make yours as well. And this is actually the third mini one that I've made, because I made a couple more here which you might have seen in my most recent shop update video, and both of these are up for sale on my Etsy right now. My Etsy is linked in the description box below as always. So I made this gold one. And also this silver one. And yeah, then back to my bronze one. So yeah, I will also be putting this one up for sale on my Etsy as well. So if you're interested, then please go and check out my Etsy. I'm aware now that if you do end up purchasing something from there now, you won't get it in time for Halloween, because I'm literally uploading this on Halloween. But that doesn't mean that you can't just get it at any time. So yeah, it doesn't have to be just for Halloween. Also have many more squishies up for sale on there as well if you are interested. I'm really glad that I was able to get this done in time. Even if it still isn't fully dry, I'm still really proud of this. I did have to rush it slightly, but it still turned out really cool looking. And I hope this tutorial was easy enough to understand. I did try my very best to explain what I did. And I also wanted to quickly show you what inspired me to make this. I was actually inspired by this necklace that I have. I got this quite a few months back, and this is one of my most favourite necklaces ever. So it's just this goat's head or this devil head necklace. So yeah, this is what originally inspired me to make these, but obviously I didn't copy this exactly. I did make mine quite different, as you can see. So yeah, instead of doing like the horns that curl up like this, I made the horns like this instead. And also I just changed up well, quite a few other things, like I didn't copy the design exactly. But yeah, just wanted to quickly show you what I was inspired by. And also, I did make 2 jumbo versions of these devils as well, which I will try to show you. And these are really big, so they barely even fit in the camera frame. But yeah, here is what they look like. You've probably already seen these in my most recent homemade squishy update video. So this one is covered in, or I used gold paint for this one. Sorry, it's quite hard to tell. And I also made a silver one as well. And these I literally just made the exact same way as the mini ones, except I just made them a lot bigger because I just love making jumbo size squishies as well. These are not easy to squish with one hand. So yeah, again, like I said, you can make yours whatever size you want. And yeah, just really happy that I was still able to get this tutorial done in time, because this is a tutorial that I was really hoping to do for Halloween this year. I'm pretty sure I mentioned it in my homemade squishy update video when I showed the jumbo ones. I think I said that I really wanted to do a tutorial on them. But yeah, just really proud of these. Definitely some of my most favourite squishies. And yep, so that is it for this tutorial. And yep, so that is it. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And please let me know what you think in the comments below. And also please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And also please subscribe to my channel, because it would make me so happy if you did. And again, don't forget that all 3 of these are now up for sale on my Etsy. My Etsy is linked in the description box below. Again, you don't just have to purchase these for Halloween. You can literally get these anytime you want. These will all be up for sale on there separately. I really hope you like these. I'm just so proud of all of these. And I really hope that you enjoyed the 2 Halloween squishy tutorials that I made this year. Again, I'm just so proud that I was able to get these done in time, despite the fact I started these a lot more closer to Halloween compared to last year. So yeah, I'm very proud and very relieved that I got these done. And yep, so that's pretty much all I have to say. And also I just want to say a very happy Halloween to all of you. I hope that you all have an amazing time, and I hope you all stay safe as well, especially if you're going trick-or-treating. And yep, that is it. So I really hope you enjoyed. And again, very happy Halloween, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.